Imagine a digital world where you truly own your creations, your land, and your digital identity. Not a world controlled by corporations, but one shaped by its users. This is the promise of the Metaverse, a revolution in digital ownership. For years we built communities and content online, but the platforms held all the power. They could change the rules or erase our work overnight. The Metaverse, powered by blockchain, flips this model. Now, creators and participants hold the keys. Think of it like owning a house instead of renting an apartment. You control what happens, and your investment is yours. Blockchain technology brings verifiable, secure digital property rights. Projects like the Sandbox are building not just games, but entire economies and digital societies. Understanding this shift is crucial. It's about more than crypto prices. It's the next evolution of creativity and interaction online. In this new world, everyone can be a creator, an owner, and a pioneer. The gates to this frontier are open, and the first explorers are already building the future. The value you create stays with you, not the platform. This is the foundation for a new kind of internet, one where you have real stake and real freedom. The Sandbox is leading this movement, empowering users to shape their own destinies. The future of digital ownership is here, and it's changing everything. No more fleeting trends. This is foundational technology. The digital world is yours to build, own, and transform. Welcome to a world you can truly call your own. The journey has just begun. So, what is the Sandbox? It's more than a game. It's a decentralized virtual world. Here, anyone can create, own, and monetize experiences, no coding required. The Sandbox runs on Ethereum, making every piece of land, character, and item a unique NFT. Your ownership is recorded on the blockchain. No one can take it away. The platform offers free tools, VoxEdit for creating voxel-based assets, and GameMaker for building interactive worlds. Build anything: games, art galleries, social clubs, or virtual concerts. Sell your creations on the marketplace, or use them in your own land. The GameMaker lets you add behaviors and quests without writing code. This transforms the Sandbox into a universe of interconnected user-built experiences. It's a platform for creativity and ownership on a scale never seen before. The power is in your hands. Create, share, and profit from your imagination. The Sandbox is redefining what it means to play, build, and belong online. Welcome to the next level of digital creation. The Sandbox ecosystem is built on three pillars: sand, land, and assets. Land is digital real estate. Each plot is a unique NFT you can buy, sell, or rent. Owning land lets you build and publish your own experiences, or rent it to others. Major brands and creators are already staking their claim in this virtual world. Assets are voxel-based creations, avatars, items, vehicles, made with VoxEdit and minted as NFTs. Creators can use assets in their games or sell them on the marketplace, fueling a vibrant digital economy. Sand is the native currency, used for all transactions, buying land, purchasing assets, and accessing experiences. It's the economic engine that powers the world, connecting creators, players, and builders. Sand also unlocks governance and participation in the platform's future. These three elements work together to create a self-sustaining, user-driven digital nation. The genius of the Sandbox is in this simple, powerful design. Own your land, create your assets, and fuel the world with sand. This is how digital economies are born and thrive. The Sandbox is more than a game. It's a blueprint for the future of online interaction. Sand is more than just currency. It's the lifeblood of the Sandbox. Every transaction, from buying land to trading assets, uses sand, creating constant demand. Sand holders participate in platform governance, voting on key decisions through a DAO. Staking sand supports the ecosystem's security and rewards users with more sand. This incentivizes active participation and long-term commitment. Sand is also creative fuel, needed to upload assets, buy land, and unlock new possibilities. The foundation uses sand to fund promising creators and projects, driving innovation. Through currency, governance, and creativity, sand empowers a thriving, user-owned world. It's not just a token, it's the foundation of a digital nation. In the Sandbox, sand connects and rewards everyone who helps build the future. In crypto, Hype comes and goes, but the Sandbox stands apart by focusing on community. Its strategy is long-term growth, not quick profits. The team invests in creators, running game jams and offering grants to support innovation. This approach has built a loyal, passionate user base. While other projects chase trends, the Sandbox refines its tools and expands its world. Land sales are methodical and fair, building trust and anticipation. The result? A thriving, active platform filled with new experiences and engaged users. The marketplace is alive with creators selling assets and players exploring new worlds. Community-driven governance ensures the platform evolves for its users. The Sandbox's foundation is genuine utility and empowerment, not speculation. That's why it endures while hype-driven projects fade away. In the Sandbox, community is everything, and that's what makes it last. What sets the Sandbox apart in a crowded metaverse market? True digital ownership and decentralization. Unlike closed platforms, the Sandbox gives you real, blockchain-verified ownership of land and assets. Your assets aren't trapped, you can trade them on open NFT marketplaces or use them in other applications. This interoperability is the holy grail of the open metaverse, and the Sandbox is leading the way. Creation tools are free and accessible, no coding required. Anyone, anywhere, can build and share experiences, leveling the playing field for creators. This democratizes content and unleashes global creativity. The result is a self-sustaining ecosystem. Creators build, players join, the economy grows, and new creators emerge. The Sandbox's open, community-driven model is a blueprint for the next generation of the internet. It's not just another game, it's a foundational platform for digital freedom. Here, ownership and creativity go hand in hand. The Sandbox is where the future of the web is being built, by everyone, for everyone. That's what makes it truly different. The Sandbox is more than a crypto project, it's a glimpse into the future of the internet. It shifts us from passive consumers to active owners and creators. True digital ownership, decentralized governance, and a user-driven economy are the building blocks of Web3. The metaverse is still young, but pioneers are already shaping its landscape. Challenges remain, but the core idea, owning a piece of the internet, is revolutionary. This is about more than speculation. It's about a cultural and technological transformation. The skills and concepts developed here will shape how we work, play, and connect for years to come. The era of centralized platforms is ending. A new age of creativity and ownership is dawning. The Sandbox is a beacon, lighting the way forward. Whether you're an artist, gamer, entrepreneur, or just curious, this is a space to watch. The next frontier isn't in outer space. It's being built, one voxel at a time, by a global community. The invitation to join, build, and own is open to everyone. The future of the internet starts here.